What is up, my lovely people in Blue Tablet land? So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing y'all how to draw this cute little classroom pencil that you probably used in grade school or maybe just for a drawing project. So if that's something you guys are interested in, stick around and let's get started. So I'm first going to start out by drawing the tip of the pencil, which will be this little triangular shape, and that'll be the lead part of the pencil, or any other color pencil if you were drawing something like that. Go ahead and make a an angular line to show the wooden part of the pencil, and then draw these swirly lines or wavy lines to show where the wood and the lead would meet. I remember we had done a project in I think it was in first, maybe second, maybe third grade, where we used the pencil shavings to make like flowers on a piece of paper. So not just a pencil, probably some piece of art. So I'm going to draw these lines, or a line over here, to show the body of the pencil. Draw one line over here and undo that, and draw another line over here. And that will be the wonderful body of the pencil. Go ahead and draw these cylindrical kind of looking aluminum type of material that the pencil has. Draw another one over here, and then finally we'll draw the beautiful little pink eraser at the top. But anyway, guys, thanks for following along, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.